Didn't mean to start recording it. I don't want to do it. Anyway, I'm not in the mood. I don't know if you can tell that. Oh, and I feel like I'm gonna be shaking this a lot. Does that make this shake? How? I'm not touching it. Anyway, I'm in a mood. I'm not in the mood. Here's my thing, and I'll talk about it while I do my eyebrows, I guess. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm not gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this type of brush, this little fat angled brush, and I'm gonna use concealer. I've been using Age Rewind lately, and I did just spit on that. It's my own spit. It's fine. And instead of filling them in with like a pomade, like I normally would, and then going over it with eyeshadow, I'm so out of it. It's fine though. Like I normally would, I'm just gonna basically carve it out like that, and then put the concealer where I don't have eyebrows. Because I'm not in the mood to do eyebrows lately. They just never come out right, and sometimes they're not even sisters, they're cousins, and sometimes they smear and it ruins the whole look, and I'm just not about it, and I lost the brush I needed to use. Nice to meet you guys. I'm a beauty guru. I'm just gonna brush through my hairs with like a spoolie and then carve it out with concealer how I normally would if I like had eyebrows on, you know what I mean? And I am gonna like darken them with some black because I don't have the darkest eyebrows and I want to be bold, but I just don't want to do the whole ass eyebrow. I'm tired. I'm just tired. We'll come back in a minute when this is less tedious. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a shape, whereas this one isn't. So now I'm going to do this one and probably do the top part too. We'll see. I guess I'm going to do like the top part before I fill in the black. Don't think I'm going to use a pomade. I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow. So the shade I'm going to use is Black Magic from the Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm just going to make my eyebrows a little bit darker. See, this is better because I don't have to whole ass draw my eyebrows on. The shape looks wonky on camera, but it's okay. I also look very Star Trek-y, like when I raise my eye. Okay. That is good enough for me. It just saves me a lot of time when you don't have to do that whole... I literally don't even remember what I was talking about. Yes, it saves you a lot of time when you don't have to do the whole eyebrow. Threw my makeup wipe behind my desk by accident. I'm going to use this concealer again, and I'm just going to use it as like a primer basically, and I'm gonna set it with this powder. I don't know what brand it is because the logo came off. I got it from AliExpress. Might not be safe to use on my face. I'm gonna do it. It's not proper application though, so I need to get my shit together. Oh yeah, but the concept for this is I'm just not in the fucking mood anymore. Makeup bothers me, but it's like the reason why is because I'm always trying to look Instagram pretty, and that's just not the mood. I don't know, I don't feel like it anymore because that's not my aesthetic. I don't like, I can do it, but like I'm tired of having to compete like that, you know? It's just not it. It's just not. I'm gonna blend that with a beauty blender. This isn't Beauty Blender brand. I got distracted beauty blending, but But yeah, I'm just having trouble figuring out what on earth my aesthetic is. And I feel like it's not what I've been doing. So now I'm going to set that and then do the other eye. It's a little counterproductive just because I'm going to sort of be making it look like I have a black eye. / haven't slept in days, but it's okay. And at least, whoa. So I wasn't paying attention and I stabbed myself directly in the eye. And this had powder all over it. So my eyeball hurts now. But we're just gonna keep going. I don't bake because my under eyes get crusty. And believe you me, it's not worth it. It stopped recording because my computer decided it wanted to turn off, so when I turned it back on, it asked me what I wanted it to do with this device, the device being my phone, what I'm recording on, and yeah, that notification that I got stopped the recording. But yeah, we're just putting concealer on this eye now. We're not doing the fun part yet. Don't worry, you didn't miss nothing. I got carried away with concealer and put it all over my nose, but it's fine. I always start with pink even though I darken it up like crazy later, but I'm going to use Shy from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which is that one. And we're not like hella worried about how high up we go since I don't have eyebrows, but you know, just do you. That's what this is. This is about not being in the mood. Neato. So now we're going to use, well, I'm going to use whatever it's going to get used. Flamingo, which is that brighter pink. And just put it in the same place. It was almost even, and then I made this one just a little bit more pink. So hopefully this will be even this time. That's close enough. So I'm going to move back to the Morphe palette I was using before. And I'm going to take a mixture of Sweet Beets and Candy Crush, which are these two. And just basically put it in the same spot. The pink was maybe unnecessary. I don't know how you look about. Yeah, I just layer on a lot of shades that are lighter on the spectrum before I go darker. It blows my mind how people just put a dark shade on their lid and blend it out, and it's fine. Like, we're getting there. We don't look as crazy anymore because of the eyebrows, because now our actual eyes just look normal. I guess I'm going to use Power Slayer, which is this purpley plumish shade, but I'm going to rip a page out of this notebook to help me do like a wing. I can like put it like that and do it, but for now I'm just going to pack that shade on the lid. Last time I did this look, I did a brown shimmer, but I decided I wanted to do matte today, so. Also, if you hear that noise, it's the air conditioner. Wow, why did I look in the mirror and think I saw a dead baby behind me? But now I'm gonna do a wink type thing with this shadow, the same shade. I feel like I brought, whoa, okay, love that. I feel like I brought the wing out longer than I intended, especially because I was going to put black there also, but it's okay. We'll just blend it and move on to the next eye. We can deal with black later. I feel like I'll have to clean that up with concealer because it's just too low, and that's not good. Now I'm going to do black, which which is the same black I used on my eyebrows. I'm going to take a little bit more of the red that I used and just use that to bring the red back because it sort of disappeared behind everything. Now we're going to bring the black onto this eye. Whatever. Blend it into your crease in the Beauty Guru. And then just like with that other eye, bring the red back. Neato. I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with some pretty heavy red. So the same two that I used earlier, Sweet Beets and Candy Crush. I'm just gonna, and I'm gonna do that a couple times. I'm gonna go pretty heavy with that. See why the concealer was a little bit counterproductive? Because it's like, it just looks like I have dark circles anyway. But it's okay because I live for it. And I'm just gonna darken the outer edge again. No mascara, use whatever kind you like, I don't care. Ooh, I could do something fun actually. Hold on. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna use this blue eyeshadow from Sephora. It's Sephora brand, it's called Pool Party. And I think I'm gonna put it on my inner corner. Why? I don't know. I feel like that's not the brush to use though. It's not even a look. Why did I do that? I don't know, dude. Why did I do that? Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna do mascara now. And the look is pretty much complete. Oh, but I look dead inside. Do I want to do that thing where I put blush on my nose, or am I gonna look crazy? Probably gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna do it. I have this pink lipstick. It's from Dollar Tree. There's a hair on it. I'm just gonna like put it here, and then I'm gonna eventually put it on my nose. Okay, it kind of looks like I have a cold, but it's kind of cute. And now to sort of set it, I'm gonna use Shy from the Rose Gold palette. Oh, your girl definitely has a cold now. You can just beauty blend that in, and for highlight, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. I'm gonna use Pink Heart because my face is already kind of pink. So I put it like on my cheekbone and over here and like above and below my brow bone. Because we aliens up in this bitch, I guess. So this is the look, and hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. There's something in my eye, so I'm gonna go, but thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please follow my Instagram, which is at Pale and Flaky Makeup. It'll be linked in the description below, and yeah, bye.